Hi guys, good morning. So time check, it's 3 a.m. and we are going to the airport kay laag mi sa may
Sakay may idro.
Masakay may idro. Yeah, okay. Our flight is 5:40 and boarding time is 5 o'clock. So we have 2 hours allowance. Kasi iiwan namin yung sasakyan namin doon sa airport. So isa sa magkano kaya ang bayad doon? No? So
300 per day.
So 2 araw, that's 600. Kasi if we commute from here to the airport, the cost would be 200 each and apat kami, so that's 800 versus 600 na mababayaran namin for 2 days plus gasolina. So same lang, and what ang ano namin is yung comfort na hindi na kami mag public transport. Yeah. So see you there. Kabala kayo, manilit ko. Dagan pa kayo niyo.
Sa dagan kayo?
Kanang memory.
Sorry. Worth it ang pag-ulat sa walay mga bakasyon.
Kasi walay mga bakasyon. Oh, tanaw, gibukutan nila lang sa sakyanan. Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa airport. Sorry, dark yung ano kasi wala akong lights. Anyways. So, ayan guys. Okay guys, so we will pay the parking fee here for an overnight is how much? Pila ito? 100. Pila ito? 168. So 168 per night. That's times 2. Mathematics. 336. So we will only pay 336 for the 2 nights na ibilin dito ang sakyanan. So one tip guys dito sa airport is if you have a car, pwede nilang i-park dito kasi ano naman protected naman. I mean, meron namang mga security guards. Okay, so ay, hala. Basura. So ayan guys.
Nabubuo na itong sapatos rin nila.
Mind your own business, be. Yo lingin sa diri yo be. Ini si Bonbon. Wala na ako nag-video. It's okay mag-video sa or yun. Hi! Maulaw na akong baby. Nag-record. Pag front nga mga row, di moagi diri. Han, picture tan. Hi! My first travel after, you know, having a PWD. Ano to yun? Yeah. having a PWD.
Light rain over the field, and the ground temperature reported at 27 degrees centigrade.
Di pa kayo. Love the Philippines.
We have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We're pleased to inform you that we have landed 24 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. The time now is 56 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been shown. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment. And please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure serving you today, and we look forward to serve you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Dandy de Guzman, First Officer Ralph Bato-Bato, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Once again, this is important safety announcement except in case of water landing. The removal and bringing of life vests outside the aircraft is a criminal offense and punishable by law. And for those passengers traveling with infant and were giving infant life vests, please return it to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Dear guests, for your safety, we request everyone to please remain seated until the aircraft comes to complete stop at the parking bay assignment and the door has been opened for you to deplane. Thank you for your cooperation. Sa mga minamahal naming panauhin na nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyari po lamang pakibalik ito sa mga cabin crew bago po kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po. Dear guests, for your own safety, we request everyone to please remain seated.
Nay konduktor karon. Pila kay plate yan. Cebu Pacific.
Chada na.
Chado. Si Bini di magpa-video.